In this tutorial, you will learn how to use a timer function on iPhone's camera. But before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. If you want to set a timer for shutter to go off, for example for group photos, then just open the camera and tap on the stopwatch icon on the top and choose from the options presented. You can choose between 3 and 10-second countdowns, or turn it off if you no longer need the timer for your camera. Once you have your countdown set, tap the shutter button. On the iPhone, your flash will light up every second of the countdown. Once the time ends, your iPhone will take the photo in burst mode, so you have a good amount of photos to choose from in case someone moves. Do you ever take group photos?